This is David Brown. I hope you enjoy this video short, but know that this is only for informational purposes. It does not create an attorney-client relationship between you and the firm, and we recommend that you contact a licensed attorney if you have any questions or concerns about the information provided. We often get the question, can I enter the U.S. as a business visitor for this specific entry? And obviously we get a number of scenarios as to what someone is going to be doing while they're in the U.S. Understand, of course, that if you do not fall into the visa waiver program, you need to have a qualifying visa in your passport before you can enter the U.S. That is a prerequisite for anyone who requires a visa. If you are from a visa waiver country, you need to have an ESTA allowance before you can present yourself at the port of entry for admission. And you obviously, for anyone who's coming to enter the U.S., you need to have a valid passport that should be valid 6 months past the date in which you plan on leaving the country. If you're a Canadian national, you'll only need an actual visa or an actual passport. If you want to come in as a business visitor, you want to be doing something that is a qualifying business activity. Attending a conference is a qualifying business activity. Attending meetings on behalf of your foreign entity is a qualifying business activity. And attending sales presentations on behalf of your foreign entity are qualifying activities. We get into situations, though, where individuals may be coming to visit their U.S. counterparts in another company related to their foreign employer. And in those situations, we're concerned about whether or not someone is actually working for the U.S. company as opposed to their foreign employer. And it's clearly the case that you're a business visitor if, say, you're creating a product in the UK and you're having meetings with your U.S. colleagues, and they're giving you input and direction on how that product might look, how you may enter the UK market, and what things they may want to see in it so they can then take it and localize it to the US market. In that situation, you're clearly representing your foreign employer. In a situation, though, where you may come in to the US and, say, manage a team of US workers and give them direct feedback on how they're doing and the things that they're doing and giving them day-to-day instructions, in that situation, you're clearly working. And the US government would have an interest in either having a US worker, meaning a permanent resident or U.S. citizen, actually performing that work, or ensuring that you have a proper visa status that allows you to do that. And as a business visitor under the visa waiver or as a B1 visa holder, you are not entitled to work in the U.S. As I said, basic meetings, attendance at sales functions, conferences, and then obviously the whole gamut of holiday-related travel that one might have are legitimate B1 and B2 visa and visa waiver entries. If you have a question about your business travel and need an answer, please don't hesitate to contact us.